What a crazy week in AI. From Midjourney launching their first video model to MIT researchers raising some serious questions about ChatGPT, there's a lot to cover. So buckle up as we dive into everything you need to know about this week's AI updates. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video. Let's jump right in. First up, Midjourney finally enters the video game with their V1 AI video model. This new tool can turn any image into a 5-second clip. And get this, you can stretch videos up to 20 seconds too. Best part? It's part of Midjourney's $10 per month plan starting right now. If you're into AI-generated videos, this one's for you. Next up, OpenAI just dropped Record Mode for ChatGPT. Imagine a meeting assistant that records, transcribes, and summarizes your conversations, all powered by AI. It's live on ChatGPT Pro, Team, Enterprise, and Edu for Mac users. And that's not all, you can also generate images on WhatsApp and download canvases directly too. Super handy for busy creators. Claude Code by Anthropic also had a big update. MCP server support is here. That means you no longer need to host your own server. You can pull context straight into Claude, making it way smoother to build AI tools. Google rolled out a game changer too. Search Live AI mode. You can now have a real-time voice conversation with Google, with direct access to its entire web index and up-to-the-second updates. Pretty much like a personal AI assistant that actually knows what's going on.
How to dress to not wrinkle when packing.
To prevent wrinkles when packing a linen dress, rolling it instead of folding can minimize creases. Using packing cubes can also help keep clothes from shifting and wrinkling. Consider placing tissue paper between folds to reduce friction. Upon arrival, hang the dress promptly to allow wrinkles to fall out.
What should I do if it still wrinkles?
If your linen dress still has wrinkles after using the packing tips, you can try a wrinkle-releasing spray. Alternatively, you could hang the dress in a steamy bathroom, use a travel steamer, or use a travel-sized iron.
Why does linen wrinkle so easily?
Linen wrinkles due to its flax fiber structure, which have low elasticity and don't bounce back easily when creased. The crystalline structure of linen fibers also makes them less flexible than other textiles.
Higgsfield just unveiled Canvas, an AI image editing model built for pixel-perfect product placement. You can edit clothes, faces, or add products into your visuals with total precision. This is going to save so much time for marketers and content creators.
Everything you see here is about to change.
So now you know. Wow!
But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. MIT just released a study showing that people who use ChatGPT for writing show lower brain engagement compared to using Google Search or writing solo. Moving on, MiniMax went big this week too. They open-sourced M1, the world's longest context window reasoning model, and introduced an AI agent that can build apps, run code, and even create presentations.
Good afternoon. How can help you today? Code, research, website, or multimodal?
Create a virtual Louvre tour where I can view major artworks, accompanied by audio explanations.
Got it. I'll tackle this task in 4 stages. Phase 1. Research and content curation. I'll research the Louvre's most iconic artworks and organize a report. Phase 2. Audio creation. Testing narration voices with MiniMax TTS, then creating the audio guide. Phase 3. Website development. Website is live now, checking mobile view, image, and audio functionality. Phase 4. Final documentation. All done, preparing the final project report. And you can experience the Louvre from anywhere.
Welcome to one of the world's most famous paintings, the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci.
And to wrap up, Tencent open-sourced their Hunyuan 3D 2.1 model. This one can generate super realistic 3D assets that respond perfectly to light and look insanely cinematic.
Hey everyone, I'm Chun Chao from the Tencent Hunyuan team. Today, we are thrilled to open source Hunyuan 3D 2.1, the industry's first open sourced 3D generative foundation model, offering production-grade PBR support. This enables physically accurate texture synthesis to generate film-grade lighting and material details, achieving cinematic realism for 3D assets. Since open sourcing Hunyuan 3D 1.0 and 2.0, we have been deeply engaged with the open source community, listening to your feedback and ideas. One clear request stood out: the ability to customize and fine-tune the model with greater flexibility. With Hunyuan 3D 2.1, we are honoring our commitment to the community by open sourcing the entire pipeline, model weights, training code, and data processing workflows. We empower you to replicate, fine-tune, and build on our work seamlessly. Most open source 3D models use basic RGB textures, which limits realism. Tencent Hunyuan 3D 2.1 enhances our geometry texture decoupled architecture for ultra-realistic 3D generation. First, leveraging our diffusion transformer, it generates a high-precision geometric mesh that captures intricate details. Then, as an early attempt among open-source models, we introduce PBR texture generation. This process creates multiple texture maps, like basic color, metallic, roughness, and normal maps, to render lifelike materials, from the green of wood to the gleam of metal. The results speak for themselves. In double-blind user tests, our PBR textures were preferred over standard RGB by over 78%. What is more, we have made all this power incredibly accessible. Hunyuan 3D 2.1 runs locally on consumer-grade GPUs, perfect for small teams, individual developers, and creators. You can start with a single image, a photograph, or even an AI generation, and produce a high-fidelity PBR textured 3D model in just minutes. Future updates will include text to 3D, multi-view input, and more. From 1.0 to 2.1, our mission has always been to make 3D generation faster, more realistic, and accessible for every creator. Hunyuan 3D 2.1 is a new starting point for our entire community. We invite you to download the model, build on our work, and help us shape the future of 3D. We can't wait to see what you create. Thank you.
So there you have it, all the biggest AI news this week. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to keep up with all the AI tools and trends, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more AI tools I've covered before. See you in the next one.